Welcome back to my channel, Gucci's team, and I hope every one of you have been doing great. Today I'm going to be making my tea but different recipe. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section if you love it. Adding Uda. I've gone in with Uda actually, and I'm going to go in with this cloves, okay? So here it is. I've gone in with my Uda. As you can see, I have my Uda here. See, I have my Uda. I have my cloves. It's already in. I have more of my herbs right here. I'm going to go in with more of my herbs and pineapples. Yeah, I usually cut them. This is from last season. These leaves were from last season. Okay. I'm just showing you this in case you're anywhere in the world watching me. This is something you can do for your family. I have a lot of recipes. I have a lot of this on my channel. I have different type of recipes on how you can make this tea. And trust me, so far a lot of people have been testifying. I've used this for even my friends, like my wife. My pineapples, and this is my pan. With my pineapples, blended pineapples, you want to show them my blended. This is it. So here is my ginger and garlic, and my turmeric, my fresh turmeric, my ginger, my garlic. So here is pap, ogi. If you know what pap is, this is what it is, the white one. Adding the liquid because this will help us for typhoid, for malaria, for fever. I've been running fever and I need to make this medicine as I used to make it back home in Nigeria. I'm going to go in with my lemon and lime. This is important in this very tea if you're making this tea. I'm going to just go in with it. I like to have a chew. You know, it's not sweet, but it's healthy. When I'm buying it, I buy the organic because it's always good to buy the organic. I went to my garden to pluck this, my lemon and lime, lemongrass leaf, bitter leaves, avocado leaves. I'm going to go in with them. I'm sure you'll be saying you have seen a lot of these recipes. Yeah, I have different types. Bitter leaf. My avocado leaves, I just went in with it. I want to show you this thing one after the other so you can learn how to do this. It doesn't matter, guys. You can go in with either of the leaves. What matters is that you have the leaves in here. This is very medicinal. My child is going to be very healed. I'm going to be healed. My husband will be healed. Everybody in this house will be healed. Cover this for 20 minutes and it's ready. I'm just going to add some more water, guys. Guys, everything here is healthy. Try this. If you have all this, try it. If you don't have lemon or lime leaf around where you live, or lemongrass leaves, you can go to any African store or you can ask from people around you who have plants. I used to go to my gym mother to ask for this. She has all this in her garden and she always gives me. I decided to plant it, and honestly, for the past how many years, I have been enjoying this. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Guys, you can never know how good something is until you try it. I promise you, if you try this, you're going to come back to say thank you. I've gotten a lot of testimonies over and over concerning this tea. You can plant it around your area. You can go to Home Depot where you live and buy these things and start planting and use them for your health's sake, okay? I like to share wonderful things that are very healthy on my channel. So if you want to know more about healthy living, stay glued to this channel. This is the right place, guys. Guys, this tea is very incredible, and if I must tell you the truth, for every father or man or young man that is watching me on this channel, I want to ask you to please go and try this tea. It's very helpful for you as a man, trust me. I can't wait to dive into it, guys. This is beautiful. Oh my God, Chidera, take a thumbnail with that. The face of the tea alone can make you finish it in one day. Look at that. If you have watched this video to this moment, please give it a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. It's going to be very helpful. Be loving, be kind. Already. Look at our tea. With all those herbs. Beautiful herbs. I love this recipe, especially because it has pap, it has bitter leaf, it has uda. This is so beautiful. It's too hot for me, but no, it's too hot, mommy. You can add honey. You can add honey if you like. Guys, it's really good. I hope you give it a try. I will tell you guys how this tea used to help her. Chidera will tell you guys how this tea used to help her, especially when she's having cramps, menstrual period pain. This goes a long way for her. She drinks it like she's drinking juice.